Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the daily Apple report for Friday, December 29th, 2023. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm showing you the big picture here. I'll get to the day in a moment. The big picture is still bullish above, not only 181.59, but also 164.23 to 165.64. Longer term, well into next year, above the mid 160s. As we move through February, 181.59. Now, as it turns out, 181.59 remains a 3 to 5 week downside target right now, as per the daily chart sell signal below not only 195.48 earlier in the week, but also, where are you? The rising speed line at 194.97. And we also have 194.38. I mean, you look to the far right, you can just kind of pick your spot between 194.38 and 195.48. It's about $1.10 wide, able to contain buying, and this is it really right here, able to contain buying through next week and into later January, and below which the low 180s in reach over the next 3 to 5 weeks or so. On the way down, I do have, bear with me here, I'm looking for the right chart and I can't seem to find it, and there it is. 190.51. This could be considered a session containment level. It's an appreciable distance away from present price levels. 190.51. I'm going to say able to contain session weakness, even though I have it as an intraday support level. And just know that holding below this 194.38 to 195.48 region will allow selling pressures to continue building as we move through next week and into later January. The low 180s expected as a 3 to 5 week downside target, possibly sooner. If we close today below 190.51, that possibly sooner is probably sooner. 186.55, then likely within a few days, where we can bottom out on a daily basis here. But just know that continued settlements below 194.97 to 195.48, and you can throw in 194.38 as well. They're all shown pretty much right here, kind of. We'll keep the low 180s in reach as a 3 to 5 week target. Now, if we close today, now you could say above 194.38 is enough, but no, I really want to see us close back above this rising channel bottom at 195.48. And then that completely shrugs off what is amounted to a double sell signal over the last 3 or 4 days below this combination rising 1/3 speed line and channel bottom. So if we close back above 195.48, that actually turns the market north. And we would also, of course, close above 194.38 in the same time. 198.23, the July high, formerly all-time high until a couple of weeks ago, then likely within 3 to 5 days. And over the next couple of weeks, 201.90 would be expected if we close today above 195.48. So this is an important pivot region. We are below it, expecting the low 180s over the next 3 to 5 weeks. And inversely, if we close above that area, 201.90 likely within, I'd say, 2 to 3 weeks, and probably higher as we continue into later Q1, because after all, we are expecting this upper zone in the months ahead, holding above 181.59. I think that pretty much rounds it out. I don't think there's really anything else that needs to be said. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com for that 5-day free trial. We'll be back early next week, Monday, I assume, with Tuesday's Tesla. It's a long holiday weekend. Monday is, the first of the year, New Year's Day, and so we'll get it over to you certainly before Tuesday, Tuesday's Apple report. And that's all I've got. You have a great holiday weekend with friends and family, and we will talk to you soon.